Hey guys, Craftsman Exterior Remodeling. Just putting on a quick educational video for some homeowners. We get questions asked quite a bit on this. We install joist taping when we do decking. What that is, a lot of customers ask, this is joist taping. You can see these are 2x12s framing to your deck. This joist taping will allow better water runoff and protect your tops of your 2x12s here, because you can see through a decking system you have gaps. These gaps with the hidden fastener system will come through. Water will sprinkle down onto your joists here, which is the integral part of your deck for framing purposes and stability. This tape will actually help prevent some water rot over the years. So joist tape, this is what we use when we install composite decking.